Hey friends, it's Len here on 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be replacing a radiator cap. It's going to be very simple. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Here we go. You're going to come right over here. You want to make sure that your radiator cap's nice and cool. You didn't just come back from a nice long ride out to the beach or wherever you might want to go, the mountains or whatever. Feels nice and cool. I'm going to open it slowly and away from my face, just in case there's any pressure. Lift it up slowly, away from my face. There's our cap. We'll get this one out of the way. We've got our brand new cap. Just gonna take it, press down, turn it clockwise till it stops. And there we are. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.